Have you ever wondered what secrets the dark side of the moon might be hiding from us? It's a question as old as humanity itself, a celestial curiosity that has fueled countless stories and sparked the imaginations of generations. This is the enigma of the dark side of the moon, a place forever concealed from our earthly view due to a phenomenon called tidal locking. In simple terms, the moon takes the same amount of time to rotate on its axis as it does to revolve around the Earth. This synchronicity ensures that we only ever see one face of the moon, leaving the other in perpetual darkness and mystery. But what could be on that unseen side? Could it be an alien civilization, a treasure trove of untapped resources, or perhaps something entirely unknown? While we may not see this side of the moon from our earthly vantage point, our curiosity and thirst for knowledge have led us to venture into the unknown. The year was 1969. And mankind was about to make history. We were on the cusp of a new era, an era that would witness the first footprints on an alien world. The Apollo 11 mission was not just a journey to the moon, it was a journey into the unknown, a testament to human courage and ingenuity. As Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin descended the lunar module's ladder, they stepped into the annals of history, leaving behind their footprints on the near side of the moon. They cast their eyes on the vast lunar landscape soaked in the silence of space and could only speculate about what lay hidden on the moon's far side, the side that forever turns its back on Earth. They had ventured further than any human before them, yet the moon held onto its deepest secrets. This monumental event sparked a new era of lunar exploration, but the dark side of the moon remained an enigma. In the years following the first moon landing, our quest to unravel the mysteries of the moon's dark side continued. Our species' thirst for exploration and understanding propelled us further into space beyond the footprints left by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. The Apollo missions, a series of manned and unmanned spaceflights, played a pivotal role in our pursuit of lunar knowledge. These missions, conducted by NASA, were not just about setting foot on the moon. They were about understanding it, about probing the unknown. The Apollo 8 mission, launched in December of 1968, was a landmark in this journey. It was the first manned spacecraft to leave Earth's orbit, reach the moon, orbit it, and return safely to Earth. But more importantly, it was the first to capture images of the moon's far side. These images, grainy and black and white, opened our eyes to a part of the moon previously unseen by human eyes. The images revealed a rugged, cratered landscape, starkly different from the relatively smooth terrain of the moon's near side. Fast forward 4 decades to the year 2009. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, or LRO, embarked on its mission to map the moon's surface in unprecedented detail. The LRO returned with breathtaking images, capturing the moon's dark side with a clarity and detail that the Apollo 8 astronauts could only have dreamed of. These images revealed a startlingly complex topography, with towering mountains, deep craters, and vast flat lunar seas, or Maria. The Apollo missions and the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter were monumental in our understanding of the moon. They allowed us to see what was once hidden, to probe the unknown. But they were not the end. They were merely the beginning. The moon's dark side still holds many secrets, many mysteries. Our journey into the unknown is far from over. These missions provided us with our first glimpses of the moon's dark side, but they were just the beginning of our journey into the unknown. In the 21st century, our exploration of the moon's dark side has taken a leap forward. The strides we've made in the last few decades have been nothing short of astonishing, with technology propelling us into a new era of lunar discovery. One such mission that stands out is China's Chang'e 4, which made history in 2019 by becoming the first spacecraft to touch down on the moon's far side. This intrepid little rover, named after a lunar goddess in Chinese mythology, has been sending back invaluable data ever since. From minerals to craters, Chang'e 4 has given us a closer look at the moon's hidden face than we've ever had before. Among its most exciting discoveries, Chang'e 4 detected an unusual substance in a lunar crater that could potentially be a new kind of rock or mineral. This finding, while still under analysis, could help us better understand the moon's geological history. In addition, the rover also discovered that the temperature on the moon's dark side is more extreme than previously thought. These temperatures, which can swing wildly between extreme heat and cold, pose a significant challenge for future lunar explorers. But as they say, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. These findings have sparked interest in developing new technologies that could withstand such harsh conditions. Speaking of the future, there are several missions in the pipeline that promise to deepen our understanding of the moon's far side. NASA's Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the lunar surface by 2024, plans to explore the South Pole, a region untouched by human exploration. Similarly, the Indian Space Agency plans to send a rover to the moon's South Pole in the near future. These missions, and others like them, hold the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the moon. They could uncover resources that might fuel future lunar colonies, reveal new scientific insights about the moon's history, and even provide clues about the origins of our own planet. As we continue to probe the moon's dark side, who knows what secrets we might uncover? So, what have we learned about the dark side of the moon? We've journeyed back to the first moon landing, recalling the awe and wonder it inspired. Then we delved into the probing of the unknown, the missions and studies that sought to illuminate the moon's hidden half. We've explored recent discoveries, like the surprising existence of water ice in the moon's permanently shadowed craters, and the future explorations that aim to unravel more of the moon's secrets. In our quest for lunar knowledge, we've encountered both expected and unexpected findings. The moon's dark side, once considered a barren wasteland, is now known to possess a rich and varied landscape. Its craters, mountains, and valleys tell a complex tale of cosmic impacts and geological activity. The dark side of the moon, once a complete mystery, has started to reveal its secrets. But as every answer leads to more questions, one thing remains certain. Our journey of lunar exploration is far from over.